3 BHK luxury apartments for sale, ready to move, premium quality construction, spacious 3 BHK luxury apartments, Vijayanagaram town, RTC complex vada, heart of the Vijayanagaram town. Vijayanagaram complex vada 3 BHK apartments for sale. More amenities: car parking, lift, generators, intercom phones, wide setbacks, car parking, entrance grand arch, 24 hours security, CC camera surveillance, best residential area, prime apartment flats for sale 3 BHK ఫ్లాట్స్ కావాలనుకుంటే కాంటాక్ట్ చేస్తారని కోరుచున్నాను.